This is my favorite makeup hack of all time. Doubles your makeup collection instantly. Take any lipstick that you already have, which I have plenty. I'm not actually going to use this on my lips, well, at least not yet. I'm actually going to apply it as blush. I'm taking one of my favorite colors of all time. This is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in the shade 410 Dynamic. You might know it. And I apply it here, straight to my cheeks like this. I'm going to apply it to the other side as well. And sometimes I like to go a little bit more, so I'm going to do that. It should look like this. Using a brush or a sponge, today I'm going to use a sponge, I take and I just blend it in. A great thing to remember too is you can also do this with your fingertips, and don't be afraid to experiment with colors and also with layering different colors. You can actually just have so much fun with this because any color that you love as your lipstick, you'll absolutely love it as your blush too. So I like to take it and pat it in. I go a little bit under my eye just because it brings out the sunken, more hollow part of my deep set eyes, and it just makes me look a bit more bright. I go up into my temple, still blending out, make sure the other side matches, and that's it. You can add some to your forehead and to your nose and chin as well if you like, but I like to keep it pretty centered here on my cheekbones, and it's my favorite. I just love experimenting with my lipsticks. A lipstick is infinite. It has endless possibilities. So try it with your favorite lipstick today.